Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Authentication app as a means to recover your Gmail account or use as a means of two-factor authentication on your Google account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, you type Google Mail to log in to your Google Mail account. So on the top right corner, you click on Google Accounts, then click on Manage your Google Accounts, and click on Security. Then scroll through the Security tab. Under it, you will find two-step verification. Then click on the arrow beside it, then log in with your email and password. And scroll through, then click on Authentication App. After that, click on Set App Authenticator. Here to use Google app as your two-step verification on your Google Mail. First, you need to install Google Authentication app on your phone, on Play Store or on iOS. You can install on Store. After installation, you can use it as a means to authenticate your account before you can log in to your Gmail account. I have already installed Google Authenticator on my phone on Play Store. So to link your Google Mail account to Google Authentication, click on Google Authentication, install on your phone. This Google Authenticator, install on my phone interface. So to scan the QR code, click on the plus icon on your phone, then click on scan the QR code. Then place your phone camera on the QR code of your Google web portal. Then scan the QR code to link your Google Mail account to your Google Authenticator app. Now I have linked my email to it, then click on Next. It's time for you to verify. So to verify, you open Google Authenticator app, install on my phone, then enter the code generated by the app, that's 019746. Then click on Verify. Verify your email to link your email to your Google Authenticator. My email has been linked to Google Authenticator app as a means to authenticate when Gmail comes. Let's sign out. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. More information under the description. Click on link to the post to find more information on how you can install Google Authenticator on your phone. Link your Google account to Google Authenticator. Thank you.